Hello, boys and girls. Mr. Giomini coming to you with lesson 5-4, dimensional analysis. Pardon me, I have the hiccups here all of a sudden, so if you hear me stutter or do that, that's because of the hiccups. Take a look at these. These are probably the most challenging problems of the entire chapter. Let's take it slowly, see if we can deconstruct these and see what we can do. A car traveled 990 feet down a road in 15 seconds. How many miles per hour was the car traveling? Okay. First, I notice we're doing 990 feet in 15 seconds, but I need to convert that to miles per hour. Let me start what I have first. I have feet per second, and that needs to be converted to miles. I'm going to write it all the way down here, miles per hour. Meaning I have to get feet to turn into miles and seconds to turn into hours. Now, they give us 990 feet. Excuse me, those 990 feet are in 15 seconds. Now, all this can become multiplication. So I can either choose to convert seconds into hours, or feet into miles. Now, I'm pretty good with feet into miles. I know that there's 5,280 feet in 1 mile. Now, notice what I did. I put feet, diagonal feet. Those two units of measurement I will cancel out, and I'm stuck with my miles, which is exactly what I want. So no more will I change miles. Now let's get rid of seconds. But now we need to do seconds in an hour, because I want to get this unit of measure into hour. I want to convert seconds into hours, So now I need to figure out how many seconds there are in 1 hour. Well, I know there's 60 seconds in a minute. There's 60 minutes in an hour. So if I go 60 times 60, that'll give me 3,600 seconds in 1 hour. So 3,600 seconds in an hour. Now I have everything that I need converted. So I'm going to write the seconds here to show you that the seconds will cancel out. And now I'm left with miles per hour, which is awesome. Now I'm going to cheat. I will allow you to do this as well. I'm going to do some multiplication here. I'm going to multiply numerator times numerator times numerator. I'm going to go 990 times 1, no need to, times, 3,600 equals, well, it's a big number, 3, 5, 6, 4, 0, 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, okay, good. Now, that's the top part. Divide that by, we have 5,280 times 15. That equals 79,200. We're going to divide now. We have 3, 5, 6, 4, 0, 0, 0. 3,564,000 divided by 79,200. That equals, I am going 45 miles per hour. If I write it like this, 45 miles per hour. So if I'm traveling at 990 feet in 15 seconds, that would convert into I am traveling 45 miles per hour. Doesn't seem as fast, does it? This seems like really fast. This doesn't. Okay, let's take a look at another one. A theme park. Well, a popular theme park around here is Cedar Point. Let me circle my final answer. A theme park sells 71,175 yards of licorice each year. How many feet per day does the park sell? So we have 71,175 yards each year. So in 1 year. But we want to say, how many feet is that per day? So I'm going, yards over years. So how many yards in a year? That's going to convert to feet per day. Okay, now 71,175 yards in a day, or in a year. Just like we did the last one, I need to change these years to days and yards to feet. Let's get rid of yards first. I believe that there are, what is there? 1 yard is equal to, isn't it, 3 feet. Would that be what that is? 1 yard is the same as 3 feet. We multiply here. How many days in a year? Excuse me. So we have, let's see here, 1 year is equal to 365 days. Excuse me. Okay, now I have feet, which I want. Awesome. Days, which I want. Get rid of the years. Get rid of the yards. Multiply straight across. Let's go 71,175. I'm using my calculator there in front of me. Times 3 gives me, where are we at here? 2,13525 divided by, well, that's easy. 365 times 1 times 1, 365. Okay, 213,525 divided by 365. That gives me 585 feet of licorice per day that Cedar Point sells. Think about that for a little bit. 585 feet per day. Okay, hope this helps you out. Take care. Bye.